Daddy is making something. You know what he's making? He's going to make a mess in the kitchen.
We are making halwa. Halwa? Halwa.
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 Wow.
It's my Indian accent. You're going to use a supermarket ghee. You want to see hello?
How does it smell?
Smells funny.
You know, you can touch it.
Let's leave the touch as a very last step. I don't like touching food. And this already looks like our halwa. We can just eat like that.
Yeah, try it.
It's a lot of sugar. The recipe says 150. Should we go for 100?
Go 80. Recipes for how many people? 6 people. Why are you making halwa for 6 people?
I just said bullshit. It's not for 6 people. It's for something.
Now you make it for 2 people.
Yeah, I mean for 2. Cardamom. What is it? Cardamom half teaspoon. Okay. Sweet raisins. Oh, what is sweet raisins?
A few minutes later.
Player has got injured. So delicate, Mama. He's so delicate. Are you okay, Dario? He was splitting the cashews and it's cut inside here and now he's in pain.
No, it burns a bit.
So now we are back. Come on.
3 weeks later.
So I think that now we have everything prepared. So we have a sugar, ghee, raisin,
Kishmish.
kishmish. We have a cardamom.
What is cardamom called?
Cardamome.
Elaichi.
Elaichi. We have a semolina.
In Hindi. Suji.
Suji. It was just here. Pistachio.
Pista.
Cashews.
And what are you making?
We are making halwa.
Halwa. Which type of halwa?
Suji.
What is suji?
Suji is semolina.
Ah, bravo, Dario. Bravo. Good.
We have everything set up here. I actually wanted to find a YouTube recipe, and since the last time for pakora, we found a good recipe from that Indian lady with the British accent. So I searched for halwa, but I couldn't find it. And actually, I noticed that, at least I couldn't find. On YouTube, there is no recipe in English for halwa. So this could be the first halwa recipe in English for everyone. I could be the first. And
first don't get ahead of yourself. I am sure you will burn everything.
And making mistakes, then you find the right way of doing stuff. So first things first, ghee, yellow ghee.
Yellow ghee.
Wow,
What?
the smell is very strong.
In a good way or in a bad way?
In a unpleasant way. How do we know the ghee is hot?
You can put your finger inside and check.
Okay, so first things, cashews. Now, we have to keep the cashews until they turn goldish. Oh look, they're making bubbles. So we are kind of frying the cashew.
I think you can also add the other ones.
No, when they turn golden, we add the other ones. Don't
They
make a
will
mess.
they will become black in the meantime. I think you should add them.
Hey, recipe says we follow.
I think you should add all the other nuts. They will turn completely black.
No, Sulpi, it's written there. When the cashews turn golden, add the chopped raisins and the sliced almonds. Do you see any golden here? No. Okay, fine. Almonds and raisins. Now we have to fry all of them together until the raisins turn pulp.
They're already pulpy, Dario. Look at them.
Oh, let me do. Okay, now we can add semolina, suji. Until we can smell suji.
And do you know how suji smells?
Yeah.
Can you smell suji?
I don't smell it. Okay, so the recipe says be careful not to burn it. I think it's fine. Can you smell this stuff? Huh? Oh, can you smell?
I don't know. You're making it. Can you smell it?
I never. Oh, anyway, I think I smell it. So I smell something. Maybe semolina. Oh, now we have to add the water. Says that the water should be hot. Shouldn't be boiling. Oh, It's coming together. It looks like puree. Like,
It looks like polenta.
yeah. Hey.
I think you did not.
Mix the water well with the semolina to make sure there are no lumps.
I think you did not roast semolina enough. It
Now,
should-
now in a row. You said it was fine. It was melting. Then we cover for a few minutes. Until when? Boo, who knows? Let it cook for a few minutes. You will see the semolina is fluffy at this stage. Is it fluffy?
It looks fluffy, but it looks very pale. I think we should have roasted it more. You don't read recipe.
You
properly.
kept saying that it was too much, and now we should have roasted a bit more.
Yeah.
Now you eat the white semolina here. And anyway, the picture here is also very white. It looks fluffy. We are giving the mix, so now we can add the sugar. Cardamom.
Oh. So how do you know that it's done?
So we know that it's done when the ghee starts to separate.
Yay! I thought you did not know that. How did you know?
I know everything. You told me once and I remember. But you told me for the curry. I think it may be done. What do you think?
Dario, quick question. What did you put in pakoda? How did you make pakoda? You made pakoda before. How did you make it?
I put a lot of spices. And then I put potatoes. And then I put onions. Why?
What was the mixture?
It wasn't I made the mixture.
Yeah, what was in there?
There were 9 spices.
What was the main binding agent?
Glue?
Eh?
I don't know. Honey? No. Oh, it was no. We didn't buy the mix. We made the mix
Yeah, and how did you make the mix?
with the spices.
With spices.
Yeah.
The type of flour that was used.
Oh yeah. Yeah, the flour. Yeah, chickpea flour.
You don't remember, you just make stuff, copy from a YouTube video.
Hey, I don't copy. I get inspired. That's different because then I make my own mistakes and my recipe gets mine customized. Then eventually it's also better because adding my mistakes, I add a bit of myself, so you can taste even myself. Look at this, I'm done. It looks good. And I used to have a lot of Halwa when I was a kid, so I can tell that this one looks way better.
You're a liar.
Yeah, that's not true. But Surbi ate a lot of Halwa, so Surbi will tell that this is the best she ever had. In the same way of pakora, and also for chai, that was the best that she ever had. What else did I cook?
Roti. You have not even tried this halwa before. How can you be sure it will be good?
You know how? Look at this cashew. This cashew, how it's cooked, it's speaking. It's saying, I am so yummy. Please bite me.
It's just fried.
Look at that. Looks so good. How's it?
Okay, acceptable.
Hey, don't hold back.
I think it's very nice.
How do you rate in a scale from 10 to 10? Let me try it.
Good job, Daddy. Good job. Good job.
Thank you, Zubi.
12 seconds later.
Are you okay?
Yeah, well.
I just ate a bit of halwa and you are stuck in the bathroom.
Burning stomach. I mean, the taste was still decent, I guess, but eventually my body didn't like, I don't know, the ingredients.
Mommy, no. Yes, Mama, what is it? Daddy did not like halwa so much. Okay?